Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use forms in WordPress. Forms are incredibly versatile tools for any website, allowing you to gather essential information from your visitors. Whether you need a simple contact form, a detailed survey, or a user registration system, WordPress forms make it straightforward. They significantly improve user engagement and streamline data collection, helping you connect more effectively with your audience and manage your site's interactions with ease. Choosing the right form plugin is your first crucial step. There are many excellent options available, such as wpforms, Contact Forms 7, and Gravity Forms, each offering unique strengths. When making your selection, think about key features like an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, conditional logic for dynamic fields, and seamless integrations with other services. Also, consider the pricing structure, the quality of customer support, and how well it fits your specific website requirements. Once you have your plugin installed, building your first form is quite simple. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and open your chosen plugin's form builder. Most modern plugins offer a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to easily add various field types such as text inputs, email fields, and checkboxes. Remember to customize each field's label, add helpful placeholders, and set up validation rules to ensure you collect accurate and complete information from your users. After creating your form, the next step is to publish it on your website. You can easily embed your form onto any page or post using a shortcode or a dedicated block editor block. Don't forget to configure your notification settings so you receive an email whenever a new submission comes in. All form entries are also conveniently stored and accessible directly within your WordPress dashboard, making it simple to review and manage all collected data efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.